Hi guys! So I have a little bit of a bonus video for you today. I just received my design team packages from Wild Whisper. So these are some of the new designs and new products. I didn't get everything that they have released. I just picked and chose a couple of things because, as stated multiple times, not spending a lot of money today. And while I do get some free product from them, I also generally go above and beyond my free product and get more. But this particular order, I did not. So I'm going to show you what I have here to work with for my design team products. You will start to see them in May. I think these run from May to August, maybe. But I'll probably dip into some of the other products I have here from them too. So, okay, so Nicole Wright Designs has some new products. She actually has more than what I got, and they're beautiful. Her designs always impress me and are fabulous. So from the new products she released with Wild Whisper this month, I got this splotch stamp because it's so cool. I cannot wait. I love these large 6x6 stamps that Nicole Wright does. They're fabulous for scrapbooking. And I just love them. So we have that one. And then she has another pack of papers. This one's called Fanciful Florals. I got a double pack, so there'll be 2 of all of the patterns. Let's open it up and see what we got in here. So I love this. Some other companies do this too, but I find this to be an amazing idea. I love this. I love it when the cover sheet is not just something you could kind of just toss if you want, but if you flip it over, there's actually design on the back, and this one is super cute. So these are florals, and actually these are the flowers that are part of the stamps that she released. The other set of stamps, I got the splotches, but the splotch stamp, but then there's another stamp that has these flowers, and they're beautiful. So I'm super excited about that. And then we have this one, which I think some of these are like black and white, and then the B-sides are colored. I think that's how it works. But how fun would these be to color up and fussy cut? They look like little rolled roses. They're so pretty. And then the back is this gorgeousness in blue. So then again, we have this beautiful black and white kind of statement piece that would be fabulous for a background. And then the other side is this beautiful, beautiful red kind of mixed media type background look. I am super glad that I have 2 of all of these papers because check this out. So you guys know how much I love to fussy cut. Can you imagine like fussy cutting this all out and then getting the other sheet of this paper and putting the flower here on this? Like, how awesome would that be? So this is definitely one that I would highly recommend springing for the double paper pack. You will not be sorry. So again, this one, the black and white on one side, and then the other side has this beautiful colorful background. This one has some beautiful leaves design, and then the back has this beautiful orange look to it. I love that. So cool. This one has more of these little floral pieces. All of these black and white florals, my hand just immediately wants to cut all the little pieces out. And then the back of this one is a brown mottled kind of earthy looking background. We have this one, which is this beautiful like rolled roses again. I love those. And then the back is this kind of purple and orangey colored. I am loving this paper pack, you guys. This is my first time looking at it. I didn't take a peek before, but I am loving it. Okay, so those are all of the patterns. So let me see here. How can I kind of show them to you all? So you have these. You have 6 beautiful backgrounds. And then you have the 6. I love this because they're so made to like mix and match and work together. So you have these black and white ones that are just screaming to be maybe fussy cut or layered on top of, and then you have all of these beautiful mixed media designs. Really usable designs. I am super loving this collection. Okay, so that is Nicole Wright Fanciful Florals. This is the double pack of paper, and then like I said, there is another like flowery stamp set that's really pretty. And then I also got this splotch stamp set. Okay, so the second collection that I got, if you watch my channel quite often, you know I have dogs. So I just had to have this Happy Tails pack. So not only do I have dogs, but look at the colors, you guys. Corals, aquas. This periwinkle blue has got me swooning. It's so pretty. So I'm going to go ahead and open this one up. And there are some beautiful, I'm going to show you these two. I helped Jody design sequins to match this collection for Spiegel Mom Scraps. And hold on, I'll show those to you too, because you can grab those in the Wild Whisper shop. And they're so pretty. Okay, so these are the sequins. How gorgeous are they? And they match perfectly. I was super happy. I love this collection so much. Okay, so we'll be getting lots of puppy layouts this week. Again, there's a pattern on the back. Just this nice black background with the little squiggly hearts. I love this. It's so pretty, but we only have one of those, so we're going to have to use this sparingly, right? Okay. So this one has all the different pups and all of these dogs are modeled after Susie and Heather's dogs. And then the other side is more of a cat pattern paper. So one side is more dog-centric. One side is more cat-centric, which is awesome because it doesn't matter whether you have a dog or a cat. So this one, I love the little aqua eyes on this kitty. And then the back of this pattern is just a really nice black and white pattern. These flowers are stunning. See, some of these patterns I don't even think of as being like animal patterns. Some of them are. There's definitely a theme going on here, but then there's some that are just really pretty cute patterns. So this one has this aqua color and this beautiful floral, and then the back is the little noses and whiskers. This one has an aqua background, or coral background with the black cat faces, and then this side has these really adorable hearts. I love the scribbly hearts in this collection. Really, really cute. Okay, so this isn't black. This is more of like a charcoal gray. Hold on a second. I'm going to grab a drink here quick. And then, and then this is the cut apart sheet. So we have some hearts. And we have kitty cats. This is the cat, how can I put this? This is the cat-centric one. Cut apart, and I think there's a dog one too. But again, lots of florals, just really pretty, really nice patterns. And then, you know, this one has the dogs with the gray, and then the cat cut aparts. And then this one has this periwinkle blue with the cats. And I'm going to think that when I flip this over, there's going to be dog cut aparts. Yep. So this is a really, it doesn't matter if you have dogs or cats, you're covered, and you can use one of every side of the paper. So those are the patterns. I have a double pack again, so I have 2 of every one, which totally fine with me, because then I don't have to be stingy. I can just cut and paste and use and be happy. So we will definitely have we will definitely have some puppy photos coming up here soon. Lots of pet photos. And then I showed you these sequins, which are so pretty. I love these. I cannot wait to play with these sequins. I was so excited when I saw my box coming, mostly because I got the sequins first and then I could use them. Okay, and then we have the flares. So we have this little, I think it's a dog. This one says, when I need a hand, I find your paw. This one's really cute. This is a little cat-centric, but you know, that's all right. We have the periwinkle, whoops, with the flowers. We have the aqua with the flowers, and this one says, pet hair is my glitter. So super cute. I love those flares. They're really pretty. So we have those. I got all of the Happy Tails stuff. So here are the stamps. I love the flowers in the stamp set because you can pair them with some of those papers and do a layout that has nothing to do with pets, which I am always all about, being like having products that can be themed but can also not be themed as you want. I love this border. That's a really cool addition. That would be really fun to play with. And then it says claws and paws. And this one says, when I need a hand, I find your paw. I love that. Next up, we have the card pack. And again, I went for double packs of all of these cards. So we'll go through them until we come to the part where they're... Okay, let's do this. That works. Okay, so we have the periwinkle blue with the little puppy dog, and then on the back we have the cards. Again, one side appears to be more dog-centric, and one side appears to be more cat-centric. This one has little cat butts. Or no, are those supposed to be dog butts? Yeah, I guess so, huh? Those are dog butts. And then this side has the little cat. This says, every cat owner knows that nobody owns a cat. And then the back says, life is short, spoil your dog. This one has that really awesome cat with those gorgeous aqua eyes. And then the back says, be the person your dog thinks you are. This one says, I work hard so my dog can have a better life. And then the back just has this little kitty cat on it. Pet hair is my glitter. And then the back is the repeating pattern of the dogs and the cats. One of those beautiful florals. And then the back says, I work hard so my cats can have a better life. This is those florals. And the back says claws and paws with a nice area for journaling. Meow. And then the back has the coral dog pattern. Wake up, hug dog, have a good day. Love that. I will probably be using that one as a title piece on a layout very soon. The other one says Happy Tales. This is a lovely, just a little journaling card. And then the back has those beautiful coral hearts. And then this has this like kind of ombre flower pattern that I love, love, love. I would love to get this in a 12 by 12 paper. That's beautiful. And then the back says, when I need a hand, I find your paw. And then I have doubles of those cards. Those are the 3 by 4 cards. And then the 4 by 6 cards. With this one, again, this pattern, I love this ombre. And then the back says, no home is complete without the pitter-patter of kitty feet. I feel like this particular card, I'm going to be cutting away, like, maybe not. I mean, that's a dog and that's a cat, so maybe I could cover the cat up. I don't have cats, so. But I love that ombre. Be the person your dog thinks you are. Happy Tales with lots of journaling. That one's very nice. This is one of these kind of origami looking dogs. And then the back is that beautiful cat with the aqua eyes again. Beautiful floral. And then this is black, the black hearts. This one's very usable, not necessarily dog-centric or cat-centric or pet-centric. This one, that's Pippin. This is Heather's dog, Pippin. I always remember his name because I think it's like the best name ever. On a coral background. And then this one says, pet hair is my glitter. Again, this ombre is gorgeous. And then we go ahead through and repeat all the cards. So those are the card pack. If you are a documenter of pets in a traveler's notebook, these would be fabulous. You wouldn't need to get the papers. You could just get the card packs and maybe the stamps, and you would be set. So the last part of the Happy Tales collection is this ephemera pack. Now, from experience, I've worked with a lot of Wild Whispers ephemera packs. This package has oodles, and when I say oodles, I mean oodles of die cuts in them. And they're in all different sizes, so they're not all ginormous, which, you know, I really don't care for ginormous die cuts. I only like ginormous in Misty's. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead. These all say a lot of the same stuff that's in the cards and that's in the papers. So I'm just going to kind of go ahead and lay them out. Oh, dog butts. That's awesome. I love the dog butts. I love that there are some of these hearts, and you can see here how you get multiple sizes. So if you are a 12 by 12 scrapbooker, you have lots to pick from. If you are a traveler's notebook scrapbooker, you have lots to pick from. You can kind of pick and choose the size that you want. In most cases, as I flip through here, you'll see, I love how there's lots of little florals in this. This is really great. And all these beautiful colors. These colors make my heart happy. I love them. Okay. The dog butts. That's gonna be like, I'm gonna get tons of comments on this video, and it's gonna be like, you're so funny when you talk about dog butts. Okay. So we have lots of these, huh? Life is short, spoil your dog. Yes, more dog butts. Paw prints, happy tails. Love, love, love. So I'm going to tell you that you can grab all of these beautiful releases over in the Wild Whisper shop now. I'm going to remind you that you can use my discount code, which is DTSarah, and that will save you a percentage off of your purchase. And it also lets Susie and Heather know that I rock. So there's that too. And then here are the last two die cuts. So those are the die cuts, and that is the Happy Tails collection. Tons and tons and tons of fun things to play with. These colors, I am over the moon happy with the colors in this collection. I am just, stunning. They're so beautiful. I'm definitely going to be doing some pet things, but then I'm also going to definitely be doing some non-pet pages with this. I really I'm inspired to give it a try because there is enough kind of versatile, neutral, fun, floral, and hearts and things in here that I think I could quite easily get a totally not pet-oriented scrapbook page out of them. So definitely going to get to work on that. All right, so those are the new products from Wild Whisper's new releases that I will be working with in the coming weeks, and I hope you'll stick around and see what I create. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you all again very soon. Bye.